Passive income is a powerful concept that has been gaining significant attention in recent years. In essence, passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Unlike a traditional job where time is exchanged for money, passive income allows individuals to build wealth while enjoying their lives. This approach can lead to financial freedom and security, enabling you to focus on your passions or even retire early. Let's explore various avenues to generate passive income and uncover insider secrets that can help you achieve your financial goals. One of the most popular methods for generating passive income is through real estate investments. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income. However, it requires thorough research and understanding. First, consider the location of your property. Areas with strong rental demand, good schools, and low crime rates tend to attract quality tenants. Tools like Zillow and Redfin can help you analyze property values and rental prices. If managing a property isn't your preference, you might want to explore real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hassles of being a landlord. They are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. Investing in REITs can be as simple as buying stocks, and many of them pay dividends regularly. Look for REITs with a strong track record and consistent dividend payments. Another effective method for passive income is dividend stocks. Investing in companies that pay dividends is a straightforward way to generate income. A high dividend yield indicates that the company shares its profits with shareholders. Research companies with a history of stable and increasing dividends. Websites like Yahoo Finance and Dividend.com can assist you in screening for high-yield stocks. Consider utilizing dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs. Many companies offer these plans, allowing you to automatically reinvest your dividends to purchase more shares. Over time, this can significantly enhance your investment's growth through the power of compounding. Peer-to-peer lending has emerged as another innovative way to earn passive income. This involves lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms such as Lending Club or Prosper. Each loan is assigned a risk rating, and generally, the higher the risk, the higher the potential return. Diversifying your investments across multiple loans can help mitigate risk. It's essential to understand the fees associated with peer-to-peer lending platforms, as they can affect your overall returns. Always factor these into your calculations to ensure you're making sound financial decisions. Creating digital products is another exciting avenue for generating passive income. This could range from ebooks and online courses to stock photography and printables. The first step is to identify your niche. Consider what you are passionate about or skilled in, whether it's cooking, finance, or graphic design. Quality content is key. Invest time in creating valuable products that genuinely help others. The more helpful and relevant your product is, the more likely it is to sell. Once your product is created, marketing becomes crucial. Use social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to promote your digital products effectively. The right marketing strategy can lead to consistent sales over time, making this a reliable source of passive income. To build multiple streams of passive income, diversification is vital. Start small. You don't need to dive into every option simultaneously. Begin with one or two methods that resonate with you, and gradually expand as you gain experience and confidence. Setting clear goals for your passive income can also help you stay focused and motivated. Determine how much passive income you wish to generate and create a plan to reach that target. Regularly monitor your investments and be prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. Market conditions change, and staying adaptable is crucial to maintaining and growing your passive income streams. Creating passive income is not without its challenges. You may encounter setbacks, such as a slow real estate market or a digital product that doesn't sell as anticipated. However, education can empower you to overcome these challenges. Stay informed about market trends and continuously learn about your chosen investment strategies. Patience is essential in building passive income. It often takes time to see results, so don't get discouraged if success doesn't happen overnight. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Networking with other investors or creators can also provide invaluable insights and support. Connecting with like-minded individuals can lead to new opportunities and ideas, ultimately enhancing your passive income journey. Additionally, consider automating your income streams wherever possible. For instance, if you create an online course, use platforms that handle payment processing and delivery. This minimizes the time you need to spend managing the process, allowing you to focus on creating more valuable content. Investing in your financial education is also crucial. Consider attending workshops, taking online courses, or reading books on personal finance and investment strategies. The more knowledgeable you are, the better equipped you will be to make informed decisions that can enhance your income. Lastly, remember that passive income doesn't mean set it and forget it. Regularly review your investments, update your strategies, and keep an eye on market trends. This proactive approach will ensure that your income streams remain profitable over time. In conclusion, the potential for passive income is immense. By exploring avenues such as real estate investments, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and digital products, you can build a sustainable income stream that provides financial security and freedom. The journey to financial independence begins with informed decisions and a willingness to take action. Embrace the possibilities of passive income and start your journey toward a wealthier, more fulfilling life today.